Due to many customer requests, Lyco Manufacturing is adding to our product line and introducing a new externally fed screen. Many processing plants have a lot of fat, oils, and greases, and an externally fed screen fits their application better than internally or stationary fed screens. Lyco's quality and ruggedness in making screens is simply like no other manufacturer. The entire design is built with precision, with heavy-duty construction on both the main frame and the drum. Product and water are pumped through the head box. The water goes through the screen and out the back drain, while the solids cascade over the screen while the drum is turning. The doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen as the drum turns. All of our externally fed screens are built with wedge wire, and the opening in the screen can vary between 0.02 inches to 0.04 inches. The Lyco screen also comes standard with cleanout ports for ease of cleaning and inspection. For more information, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.